Question 13. An airplane took part in an air show. A second-degree polynomial function represents the altitude of the plane in relation to the time elapsed from the moment it entered the show area. The function is represented by the table of values and the graph below, where x is the time elapsed in seconds from the moment the plane entered the show area. F of x is the altitude of the plane in meters. At a certain point where its altitude was decreasing, the plane emitted colored smoke right here. At that moment, the plane's altitude was 956 meters. We know the y is 956, we just don't know the x. 7.6 seconds after emitting colored smoke, the plane left the show area. Whatever this x value is, we're going to add 7.6 to it to get the x value of this point. At what altitude was the plane when it left the show area? So let's put down what we know. This is x 956. This is add 7.6 to this because 7.6 seconds after this point is this point. So this is x plus 7.6, and the y, we don't know what the y is. So I'm just going to write y. We know the vertex because these 2 points have the same y value, right? We know that they're at the same height. We know the vertex is right between 4.4 and 11.6. Take the average of the 4.4 and 11.6 plus 11.6 is equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we know 8 is the h, and we have the h here, so this must be the k. 760 is our vertex. Now we have enough information to get the equation of this parabola. Y equals a times x minus h all squared plus k. I'm going to feed in the h and k. That's y is equal to a times x minus 8 all squared plus 760. Then I'm going to use one of the points, and I'm going to use this point because I think it's the easiest point. Plug it into this equation. We're going to figure out the a. The y is 1160. The x is 0. That gives us 0 take away 8. Negative 8 squared is 64. We get 64a. Subtract 760 from both sides. That gives us 400. 400 is equal to 64a. Divide both sides by 64. That gives us 6.25 is a. So the equation of our parabola is y is equal to 6.25 times x minus 8 all squared plus 760. Now I can figure out this x by plugging in the y is 956. 956 is equal to 6.25 times x minus 8 all squared plus 760. Subtract 760 from both sides. That gives us 196 is equal to 6.25 times x minus 8 all squared. Divide both sides by 6.25, and that gives me 31.36 is equal to x minus 8 all squared. I'm going to take the square root of both sides. That gives me plus or minus the square root of 31.36 is equal to x minus 8, which gives me plus or minus 5.6 is equal to x minus 8. Add 8 to both sides. 8 plus or minus 5.6. 8 take away 5.6 is 2.4. 8 plus 5.6 is 13.6 is our x2. We're already here at 8. 13.6 doesn't make sense. X1 is 2.4. If we add 7 to 2.4, that gives us 9.4 over here. We have 9.4 in y. Now we just have to find the y value. I'm going to feed in x is equal to 9.4 into this equation. And that gives us y is equal to 6.25 times 9.4. Take away 8 all squared plus 760. That gives us 772.25 meters is the altitude of the plane. The plane was at an altitude of 772.25 meters. And that's it for question number 13. Have a good day.